Starting a car might seem simple. You turn the key and the engine roars to life, but have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes to make that possible? Behind that seemingly simple action is a crucial component called the starter motor, which plays an essential role in the process. Without the starter motor, your car would remain silent, unable to start and get you on your way. The starter motor is essentially a powerful electric motor that gives your engine its initial push to start running. It's like the spark that ignites the entire process. Imagine trying to run a marathon without any preparation. You wouldn't just stand still and expect to immediately start sprinting. You need to warm up and get your body ready. You need a way to build up momentum first, gradually increasing your speed. That's exactly what the starter motor does for your car's engine. It provides that initial push to get things moving. Instead of your legs, the engine uses combustion to create power, converting fuel into the energy needed to run. The starter motor provides the initial rotation, like the first few steps of your marathon, setting everything in motion. This gets the engine going until it can sustain itself, running smoothly and efficiently. In essence, the starter motor acts as a bridge between your car battery's stored energy and the mechanical power of your engine, ensuring a seamless start every time. The starter motor's job is to transform electrical energy into mechanical energy, setting your engine in motion. It does this through a clever combination of gears and an electromagnetic field. When you turn your car key, you're essentially completing an electrical circuit. This circuit sends a powerful jolt of electricity from your car battery to the starter motor. Inside the starter motor, this electrical energy is used to create a magnetic field. Think of it like two magnets being brought close together. The magnetic field forces a component called the starter pinion gear to extend and engage with the engine's flywheel. The flywheel is a large, heavy gear attached to the engine crankshaft. As the starter motor spins, the pinion gear rotates the flywheel, turning the crankshaft and ultimately starting the engine. Let's break down the process of starting your car step by step, focusing on the starter motor's crucial role in this process. First, you insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the start position. This is the initial step in waking up your car's engine. This action completes an electrical circuit, sending power from the battery to the starter solenoid. The battery is the powerhouse that supplies the necessary energy. The starter solenoid acts like a switch that controls the flow of electricity to the starter motor. It plays a pivotal role in the starting mechanism. When it receives power, the solenoid closes a contact, allowing a large current to flow to the starter motor. This is a critical moment in the starting sequence. This surge of electricity energizes the starter motor, causing it to spin rapidly. The rapid spinning is essential for the next steps. The spinning motion of the starter motor drives the pinion gear to engage with the flywheel. This engagement is what sets the engine in motion. With the flywheel now turning, the engine's pistons begin to move up and down in their cylinders. This movement is fundamental to the engine's operation. This movement draws in fuel and air, which are then ignited by the spark plugs. The spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture. This ignition starts the combustion process that keeps your engine running. The continuous combustion is what powers your car and keeps it moving. Section 4. Inside the starter motor key components explained. To fully appreciate how a starter motor works, it helps to understand its main components. Each part plays a vital role in ensuring the motor functions efficiently. Firstly, there's the electric motor itself, which consists of an armature and field coils. These are the heart of the starter motor. The armature is a rotating shaft surrounded by windings of wire that create a magnetic field when electricity flows through them. This magnetic field is essential for the motor's operation. The field coils are stationary electromagnets that interact with the armature's magnetic field, causing it to spin. This interaction is what generates the mechanical force needed to start the engine. Next, we have the starter solenoid, which acts as a heavy-duty relay, controlling the large current flowing to the starter motor. It ensures that the motor receives the power it needs to function. The pinion gear is another crucial component, responsible for engaging with the engine's flywheel. This engagement is what ultimately turns the engine over. Finally, the starter motor housing encases all these components, providing protection and mounting points. It ensures that all parts are securely held together and protected from external elements. Together, these components work in perfect harmony to crank your engine and get you on the road. Without each part performing its role, the starter motor wouldn't be able to function. Section 5. Keeping your car running smoothly. The essential starter motor. In conclusion, the starter motor plays a vital role in getting your car moving. It's a powerful electric motor that transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy, cranking your engine until it can run independently. Understanding how the starter motor works can help you appreciate the complex processes happening every time you turn your key. Remember, the starter motor is a hard-working component that endures significant stress every time you start your car. Proper care and maintenance, such as ensuring your battery is in good condition and addressing any unusual noises from the starter motor, can help prolong its lifespan and keep your car running smoothly for years to come.